momentum. He's going to make the pass on Kevin Harvey down the front here and move into third place.
They made that pretty easy.
Did that, yeah, with ease. After a rebound from a speeding penalty. I don't believe he can get to Keselowski, though. 5 laps and about 4.5 laps to go now.
He needs about 10 or 15 more laps. He would be right there. I don't think Keselowski's given up on this yet, though.
No, he's trying to close the gap back a little bit.
He's a fighter, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, look what he did last week. He was sick, gets in the car, goes out there, fights through it, gets the win. And you thought, okay, he takes the lead. He loses it from his teammate Joe Logano, and he still just never gives up.
6th place on the right. Martin Truex coming back into that battle. 6, 7, 8. Almirola, Stenhouse, and Truex looks at the middle as it closes up. Truex has been back before the bunch today. I mean, he'll be back 15th or 16th, and then next thing you know, he's in the top 10 again. Had an up and down day.
I do think for Roush Fenway Racing to start this season off, they're showing some real gain and promise in the speed in their cars. This would be a really nice finish if Ricky Stenhouse Jr. can pull off this top 10.
Yeah, good. I mean, you got tip of the hat to those guys. Because, I mean, you know, they've struggled. The 17, Brian Patty and Good Creek came out really struggled right there. It's not how you got to finish in top 10 and keep that up.
Oh, man, he's just sidetracked right off the right rear quarter panel of the 10 of Almirola. But he's done, though.
But you got to love Stenhouse. He's been that way all day. He doesn't take any crap off anybody. I asked Roger Penske about having to deal with the personalities of 3 very different drivers. And he said, well, I have more sons than I have drivers. He says, so I've got a lot of experience in that department, but I can try to treat them all equally and give them the best possible opportunity to win. And there's the white flag with 1 lap to go, sponsored by Credit One Bank. Now, Brad has a win here with a last lap pass.
Oh, big run here coming off of turn 2.
And he's up high and got a nice run down the back straightaway. I'm sure it's too little too late, but I think he's going to be right there at the back bumper. Keselowski to the bottom looking. Nose to tail, off turn 4.
So close.
Wow, he was there. Joey Logano scores his first win of the season in his championship defense. Pennzoil Ford wins the Pennzoil 400.
Good job. You and TJ did an awesome job manipulating that. Great job, guys.
And that victory, Logano's 22nd of his career, puts him in the playoffs along with his teammate, Brad Keselowski. It's his first Las Vegas win in his 12th try. You mentioned TJ, talking about TJ Majors, his father, who does an incredibly good job, I think. The 116th career NASCAR win for Team Penske.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in Florida, northwestern Gulf County in Florida, Bay County in Florida, Calhoun County in Florida, Gadsden County in Big Bend of Florida, northern Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, southeastern Washington County in Florida, Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, southern Grady County in southwestern Georgia, Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 5:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles northeast of Mariana to 11 miles west of Panama City Beach, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Panama City, Lynn Haven, Panama City Beach, Callaway, Quincy, Blountstown, Havana, Mariana, Bainbridge, Donaldsonville, Springfield, Mexico Beach, Wigan, Highland Park, Stonemill Creek, Chattahoochee, Greensboro, Tyndall Air Force Base, West Bainbridge, and Orange. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia: Decatur, Grady, and Seminole.